Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and what to expect video for the Redmi earphones. Now this is a budget earphone which has high resolution audio and it is made of aluminum and it's lightweight. Now all this for the price of $399. The MRP is $599 but you get it for $399. So let's go ahead, open this up and then see how it's going to be. So you have the earphone itself. So you get extra earbuds. Okay, so these are small, these are large, and these are medium. So you have 3 sets of earbuds. And that's it. And then you have your small manual. Okay, so let's take a look at the earphone itself. Let's start from the bottom. So they have a L-shaped pin which is gold plated, actually lightly gold plated. Then you have, okay, so this is also flexible, that's nice. Then you have a complete rubberized wire which is not too thick, not too thin, and it gets separated over here with thinner wires which goes on to the earphone itself. Now okay, so the right one has the mic. Let's take a look at the mic. So that's the remote. The microphone is at the back and that's the remote. It's quite tactile, so I really like the design. This is a different design though. If you look closely, you see how it's curving, It's a very nice design. Really like that. I would have loved it if it had a volume button also, but anyways, for $399 I won't complain. Then this is the actual earbud. Let me show that to you. So this is the actual earbud. Now this is completely made of aluminum, and then you have this big, okay, now you have the big rubber stem here which actually has the left right indication. This is very small actually. Let me remove this. Okay, that is different. So this actually has a different design altogether. Normally you do not have this second piece coming out here. So they have tried to make something, maybe a bass chamber or something. So this might have high res audio with a lot of bass. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Now one more thing I like is the newer earbud, the MI earbuds have this mesh design. So because of this, the ear wax does not go in. So that's a problem that a lot of people face, that if you share your earphone, the ear wax actually goes in, so it's not really great and hygienic. So this one will help you in keeping the earphone clean. So let's put this back. Now let me go ahead and listen to some music and then we will compare it and then talk about how good or bad this is. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the earphones now and then do the comparison after that. So these are similar to the MI399. So the entire wire part and everything looks same. Just that the Redmi ones has better L-shaped pin. Now you see this looks much better. This one, the 399, the MI one is completely round. Does not look that great. This one is a looker. The remote is exactly the same. Both of them have the same remote. Now the difference is here. So the earbud, you see the Redmi one is very small. The MI one is a little big. Now it all comes down to what is your ear size. If you are one of those people who have small ears and these kind of earphones, even this, which is actually pretty small, this also doesn't fit your ears, then the Redmi one may be a good option. But there is one design element which I actually don't like in the Redmi one. Let me just show you that. If you remove the earbud, then you'll actually notice something, that the 399 one is angled. So it actually has a better fit and more comfortable to wear. This one is targeted towards people who want just in-ear one without the ear support. So this one is so small that it actually does not take your ears support. So it does not balance itself on the ear. This one does. So this one will be better for long duration, and this one will be I mean, it won't be that great with longer period of listening. Now the sound quality on this is excellent. You have good, clear, crisp vocals. You have good low end. The bass is actually pretty good. This is actually bass emphasized, but it's not overpowering. So it's going to be for anyone who wants to listen to music, wants to watch movies, wants to maybe listen to podcasts, wants to do anything. This is going to be good. Now normally high resolution earphones do not have a lot of punchy bass. This one, even though this is a high resolution earphone, it does have a lot of punchy bass. The bass is actually pretty good. So I don't know, this doesn't really go into the high res category for me, because the sound, both of them, the MI and this one, the MI one and the Redmi one, both of them actually sound similar. Just that the MI 399 has a little more bass than this one. So that's basically it. I don't think the high resolution part is that great. I mean, if I compare it with my more expensive one, this one's high resolution audio is not that great, but the bass is really nice. The sound quality is very nice, but because of the bass, the high res part I do not really agree too much. So that's basically it. So whichever you want to choose, you can choose for 399. Both of them are good according to your preference. What I just told you, just keep that in mind and then buy it accordingly. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.